For number 4, we're going to simplify by adding or subtracting fractions. Now, an important concept when you're adding or subtracting anything is that you must combine only like terms or tags, which means combine means adding or subtracting, and the like terms or tags simply means we're going to have a common denominator. So our common denominator for 7 and 21 is going to be 21. So, once again, this is already 21. This one is times 3 to equal 21. So we have to multiply this one times 3 also to get 18. Now that we've done that, all we have to do is look at our numerators, because our denominator is going to be a like term. It's going to stay the same. So 18 minus 13 is going to equal 5. So 5 over 21 will be our answer. For the next one, here we're adding, so once again, the same concept. We must have a common denominator, in this case, 18. And we can actually always put our answer here because the denominator is not going to change. So, here, 5/18 remains 5/18. 9 times 2 equals 18, so 6 times 2 equals 12. So 12 plus 5 is going to equal 17/18. So 17/18 is going to be our answer. So once again, get a common denominator, and then all you have to do is add or subtract the numerators. Here we have another one. 10 will be our common denominator. So we can write that down, and we know that our answer has to have the same denominator because we're only going to look at the numerator. So 7/10 remains the same, times 2, and times 2 is 8. So we get 15/10. Now 15/10 is an improper fraction, so it can't be our final answer. So we're going to take 15/10 as an improper fraction, and a fraction is a division problem. 15 divided by 10 goes in one time. We're going to multiply on the outside here, and that gives us 10 with 5. Our remainder becomes our numerator of our fraction. So that's going to be here, and our denominator stays the same. We have 1 and 5/10, and 5 and 10 are both divisible by 5. Whatever we do to one, we have to do to another one. So we're going to divide these both by 5 and have 1 and 1/2, because 5/10 is the same as 1/2. So once again, we're simply going to find a common denominator, and once we have a common denominator, then all we're concerned about is using the numerator. So math is making it simple.